Here's how to make YouTube Shorts in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new project. You can get free, royalty-free video clips from Pexels by searching for the type of footage you need and downloading a clip. Import your video into Premiere Pro and drag it onto the timeline. Then go to Sequence, select Sequence Settings, and change the frame size to 1080 by 1920. This gives you the vertical 9:16 format used for YouTube Shorts. If you want to add an AI voiceover, you can use a text-to-speech service such as VoiceMaker. Enter your script, convert it to speech, download the audio, and import it into Premiere Pro. Drag the audio onto your timeline and align it with the video. Once your short is ready, set the section you want to export. Press I to mark the beginning and O to mark the end of your video. If you want to, you can also select your clip and open Effect Controls. Adjust the scale to fill the vertical frame and use Position to move the video until it is framed correctly. Then go to Export from the top. Under Output Name, choose where you want to save the finished video. Click Export and Premiere Pro will render the selected section. Once processing is complete, your vertical video will be ready to upload as a YouTube short. That's all for this video. Thanks.